Hey guys, welcome to Android Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to create this effect, walking forward, backward, turning left and right. And if you don't know how to create this 3D model, then there will be a link in the description bar below and also on the screen. And we have already created the bones and assigned it to the respective body parts. If you don't know how to create that, then there will be a link in the description bar below. So let's get started. First, open the file. First, we need to assign two actions, walk and stand. For that, go to frame 1 and first we'll work on walk action. It will be 10 frames long, so end frame value should be 10. Now go to view and click on toggle chord view so that you can see top view, ortho view, right view and front view. Now select this bone by right clicking on it and go to pose mode. Select this bone and move it like this, rotate it. Now select this one and rotate it backwards. Make sure you are on the frame 1. Go to tools here. Make sure you have selected both the bones and then click on insert and location rotation. Now go to frame number 10 by changing value here and make sure both the bones are selected and click on insert available. Go to frame number 5, click on pose, copy pose, and we need exactly opposite. So click on paste X flipped pose and see the result here, and you can also see it here. So it is flipped. And now click on insert available. Now click on play. Now click on play and you can see that it is doing the walk action. Now pause it, bring it here and change this view to dope sheet view. Change this to action editor and name this action walk or walking and click on F to save it. Now click on this plus to make a copy and name it stand and delete all these keyframes by click on delete. Now make sure all the bones are selected by pressing A and now click on pose, clear transform all. Now start frame is 1, end frame make 1 and frame number also 1. Our stand action will be 1 frame long. Now click on insert location rotation. Save this, make sure you are selecting stand action and save it. Now we can animate it. Change this view to game logic, change this to blender game, change this view to right or left view so that you can see it walking and change the mode to object mode. Now we need to add the sensors. So add sensor, keyboard, and controller and action actuator. Click here on the key and press up arrow. Now join this here and this one here. Select the walking action and start frame 1 and end frame 10. Priority 0 and click on loop stand. If you select play, I'll show you what will happen. Click on start and now you can see that it is just, when you press up arrow, it will just walk one step ahead. So escape and select it, loop stop. Now start it, and as long as you have pressed up arrow, it will keep walking. Press escape. Now add a sensor always and controller and action actuator. Here you have to activate this true level. First I'll show you what will happen if you don't activate it. Join this here and this here. Select loop stop and select stand action. It is 1 frame long, so start is 1 and end is 1, and make priority 1. If you don't make it 1, if you leave it 0, then start it. When you press up arrow, it won't move. So you have to make it 1 so that the higher priority is walking, and when you leave it, it will stop. So it should stop at the idle position, that is the stand position, but it is not stopping there. So for that you have to click here, activate true level, and then click start. And now if you press up arrow, it will start walking. If you release up key, if it is still not working, go to default view again, open your dope sheet window and see here if there are any keyframes present in the stand action. There aren't any keyframes present, so we need to assign it. So select all bones by clicking A. First go to pose mode and select all bones and clear transform all, and then insert location rotation. Now there are keyframes present. So save it by clicking F. And go to game logic view again, and now go to object mode and start it. Let's see if it works. Click up arrow, it is walking. Release it, it is stopping at the idle position. Yes, it is working now. Now we'll make it turn right. Click add sensor, keyboard and controller and motion actuator. Here select left arrow, join it, join this one also, and for left rotation we need to make the rotation z rotation value 1 degrees. Now click start, it is walking, and click left arrow, it is rotating. But when it is rotating, it should maintain walking. For that, we'll join this one to our walk action. You can name the action here. So this one was walking, so that we can see what this action is. Turning left. So join it to the walking action and click start. Up arrow, it is walking. When we release, it is stopping. Click left arrow, it keeps walking and rotating towards left. So we'll do it for the right turn also. Add a sensor, keyboard and controller, motion actuator. Select the key, right arrow, join this one, join this one to walking again and turning right. For this, we'll make -1. rotation of Z -1 degrees. Click start. It is walking. When pressing left, it is turning left, right. Now we'll do the back action. Add sensor, keyboard, add controller and add actuator motion. Select the key, down arrow, join it here and join it here. Now when it is walking backwards, it should keep walking. So join it to walking actuator, and we need to make the Y location value 0.05. Click start, move it here, click start. It is going backwards, but when we press up arrow, it should move forward. For that, we'll add one more logic. We don't need to add a keyboard sensor because we have up arrow here. So when we'll press up arrow, it should go here and it should move. So we'll add one actuator, motion actuator, and -0.05. Make this Y value -0.05 and add, join this here. Click start. Now it is moving in all directions. Now change the view to perspective mode and back view. Now click start and you can see that it is moving forward, backward, rotating left, rotating right. It is doing everything. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye.